Welcome. In this short walkthrough, we will build a tiny C# snippet that picks out two characters from a string, but only when the first character is P and the second is H. It is a small string processing task that helps you practice indexing, bounds checking, and simple conditional logic in C#. I'll explain the idea, show the code, and run through the examples so you can apply the pattern elsewhere. Let's go. We only pick characters if they meet those exact positions and values. That means we need to check string length before accessing string 1 and check each character individually. This solution is intentionally simple. It is a compact way to compose a short result from positional rules. This pattern shows up in a lot of token parsing and lightweight validation logic. Here's the code from the exercise. We start with a sample string 1. The result string is initially empty. First, we we ensure that we don't index out of range and that the first character matches. If true, we append string 1 at index 0. Then we do not repeat the same pattern for the second character. Finally, we print results. It's intentionally minimal and very readable. If you want a version that reads user inputs or uses try-pass style validation, we can add that. But for this exercise, the hard-coded example demonstrates the logic clearly. This breaks the logic into 5 clear steps. Notice, we always check length before indexing to avoid runtime exceptions. The two character checks are independent. You can end up with an empty string, P or H. If the first isn't P, but the second is H, and the string is long enough, or just the string of P and H. Keeping checks independent makes the code more predictable and easier to extend for other positional rules. These examples show a variety of outputs you can get. Edge cases. A one character string will never produce a second character result. The length gap prevents errors. If you need to guarantee a two character output always, you change the rules, like you pad or default characters. For this exercise, the output strictly follows the presence and value of the first two characters. Although small, this pattern is common, where we check fixed positions for markers or flags before doing heavier parsing. For example, some log formats or many protocols use fixed position code. Checking those quickly can let you route messages efficiently. The same structure scales, where we add more position checks, or turn the rules into a loop if you have a longer fixed format strings. This is a compact and robust pattern for extracting fixed position characters when you expect specific markers. The key takeaways are boundary checks, independent conditions, and clear output rules. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.